I'm a lecturer in this institution. I work in mass communication department.
Sorry, you work in?
In mass communication
Mass
department.
communication, mashallah. That's my field also, mass communication.
Yeah. So with all due respect, I would like to clear something that, the young man could not really explain very well. The Bible recorded the Trinity. Christ said that I and my Father are one.
Very good.
And when Christ was leaving this world, he told his followers, I'm going to send the Holy Spirit
Sister,
who will be with you to the end of time.
Sister, do you know the reference
Then,
page?
excuse me.
Sister,
I have really studied many religions, including Islam, Buddhism, traditional, and a lot of them. Even the Jewish system. But from my own observation, every religion is talking about peace. So, concerning what this is said, that the only way some